Come on then, up you get. You've pinched my seat. You know it's my seat, right? Really, I only went up and went to the loo, and now this happens.
Order. Old official Kenfig bylaws, number 19. It is ordained that no manner of person shall play tennis in the high street. Number 26. Any woman found guilty of scalding burgesses or their wives shall be dunked in the water, Margaret. Excuse me. I speak of this, of course, because many centuries ago, housed in this very building, was once a courtroom. One where such laws were passed, and one that had the power to pass sentence upon criminals. It was upstairs. Thank you very much. Imagine a cold winter's morning. The fire raging up that end of the room. The smell of burned wood creeps along the weathered floorboards, right up to where the accused sits. Just here, isolated. The morning sun powers through the back windows, providing a spotlight, further isolating them. Meanwhile, the port reeve would have his back against the nice warm chimney breast. The heat coming from the kitchen fires down below. The court concerned itself with many matters. When debts were needed to be paid, they came here. When animals wandered onto other people's lands, they were held down there, where the car park is now. In this very room, decisions were made that would affect the whole community. The roads, the buildings, how important it was that Mr. Evans' unkempt hedgerows would be tidied so he wasn't obstructing the area's highways. Exactly how much Mr. So-and-so had to pay to Mrs. So-and-so. This room has clearly shaped the very community it sits at the heart of. But perhaps most fitting to this case were the matters affecting property belonging to the lord of the manor, and the criminals who took said property. Ladies and gentlemen, ask yourselves one question. How the heck did we get up here? We're in this, come on. Pint.